organisation, the process for disabling SAP accounts is manual and often independent of the process for disabling network accounts, which frequently results in critical access to SAP applications being left open. Some of the challenges include having active SAP accounts for employees that have left the organisation and are effectively terminated. Active Directory is the source of truth for employee information in our organisation. Inconsistent account disablement status between SAP accounts and network accounts. A heavy reliance is placed on manual processing, which is prone to error. What we require is a consistent and manageable approach to terminating SAP accounts, an automated process to reduce manual intervention, and to utilise existing technologies available within the organisation. The solution: automate the SAP account termination process based on AD account disablement through the integration of SAP GRC and the ITSM tool ServiceNow. The ServiceNow user store and attributes are periodically synchronised from Active Directory every hour. ServiceNow recognises that an existing account has been disabled and invokes a web service call to SAP GRC. A termination request is initiated by SAP GRC, which automatically performs SAP account disablement in associated back-end SAP systems. The employee, Anthony Smith, has both a valid SAP account and a valid Active Directory network account, as shown below. Today is Anthony's last day in the organisation. As you can see, Anthony's network account is currently not disabled or expired. Anthony's SAP account is also currently not locked or expired. ServiceNow synchronises its user store periodically from Active Directory. Later that day, the network account for Anthony Smith is formally terminated. During the synchronisation with AD, ServiceNow recognises that Anthony Smith is now disabled. Since Anthony Smith has an associated SAP account, logic maintained within ServiceNow invokes an SAP GRC termination web service. The web service details are sent to SAP GRC, where they are consumed and in turn translated into a termination request. SAP GRC provisions the termination request to back-end SAP systems and locks and end dates the SAP account, whilst also assigning the user group terminated. This ensures a consistent process. The benefits to this process include no need for manual intervention, consistency between network account and SAP account disablement. Audit history is available. Consistent terminated user attributes are applied.